Hi friends, I'm Apurva. Recently, defense talks are in the news, especially because of the border tensions between India and China on in Ladakh. Now, India has spread fast its buying of defense equipments from abroad, as well as uh, it has increased the orders of aircrafts and all the defense materials locally as well. So this is a good news for the defense companies in India, and we are seeing a good rally in them. Now, defense stocks have already moved up, but there is a technique which I would like to show, wherein which could have helped uh, identify these opportunities in defense stocks much earlier. And I have already used this technique and even shared it with our members on the Telegram channel. So, what exactly is this technique? So now, as you can see on your screen out here, this is the T20 list which I share with our Telegram channel subscribers on a daily basis when the markets are open. So as you will see on your screen, the first thing or the first column that you will notice is the new 20-day highs. So what these new 20-day highs are exactly? So I have a universe of about 365 stocks which are outside of the FNO basket and which are there in the CNX 500 basket. So we exclude all the FNO stocks and use all the broader market stocks, and these 365 stocks are the second most liquid group of stocks apart from the FNO stocks. So, what do we do with these 365 stocks on a daily basis? So, the new 20-day highs, first, let's see why we use the 20-day period across all the things that we have in this T20 list. So, there are roughly 20 trading sessions in a month, and whenever a stock is breaking out of this 20-day of its 20-day highs, it means that the stock is trading at its 1 month high levels. So what does this signify, or what does this indicate? So well, 1 month, when a stock is trading in a range for a month, and when you see that the stocks are breaking out to a 20-day high, that means that there is some activity which is picking up in these stocks. These are range breakout stocks. So they were trading in a range for at least a month, and now they are breaking out to new high territory. So this is an indication that there is some trend which is building up, and there is a possibility that the stock could move higher. So first thing that I see is the list of stocks that are breaking out to new 20-day highs. So when you see that a group of stocks are moving together on a particular day, so if let's say defense stocks or brokerage stocks or auto stocks, if these stocks are clubbed together and breaking out on a single day, then that is a sign that the sector is picking up momentum. There is activity which is happening in the sector. So whenever there is a combine or activity which is concentrated in a few stocks or industries, then that is a positive sign for that sector or stock. So new 20-day highs is one thing. Similarly, we look at the new 20-day lows as well. So this is again the same thing, but on the reverse side. If a stock or a group of stock is breaking down of its 20-day range, then that is a sign that there could be a bear trend which could be starting in these stocks or sectors. Now, the third thing which I look at is the volume gainers. So, what we do here is I look at the last 20 days average volumes, and whenever these group of stocks which are where the volumes are higher than the last 20 days average volumes, it is a sign that there is some accumulation happening in the stock, or there is activity which is happening in the stock. Traders are getting interested in these stocks. So whenever price as well as volumes, both these things put together, there if we are seeing that a group of stocks or same stocks are having uh, are showing up in the the new 20-day high list as well as on the new volume gainers or the 20-day volume gainers list. That is a signal that there is some activity which is happening in the stock. Now, apart from this, there is another list which I look at, that is the 20-day gainers, percentage gainers, and 20-day percentage losers. So, whenever after the stock breaks out and it catches up momentum, you will see that there are certain group of stocks which will move together. So, 20-day gainers will show you the stocks which are already in a momentum. So, if you want to catch stocks which are already moving higher, you can see what kind of stocks are showing up in this 20-day gainers or losers list. If on the downside, if you want to look for stocks, what kind of stocks which are going down, then you can see the 20-day losers list. So this gives a broad idea of what is happening in the broader markets. So I share this list on a daily basis whenever the markets are open in our Telegram channel, and we have got very good feedback from our members and readers who keep checking these things that we post regularly on Telegram. So on the 16th of June, as you can see on your screen, there were two defense stocks which broke out to new 20-day highs. One is Bharat Dynamics Limited (BDL), and the other one is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Both these stocks are into defense space, and these were breaking out. And simultaneously, there was also the news of border tensions between India and China building up. So that was a indication that you need to keep these stocks in your watch list, and there could be something which is happening in these stocks. Now, as and when we move forward, so on the 17th of June, again, these defense stocks moved higher. Cochin Shipyard, ITI, which are all related to defense, started showing up in the new 20-day highs list. So I shared that post on our Telegram channel as well. Again, on the 18th of June, these stocks started moving higher, and they were again showing up in the new 20-day highs list. So whenever a stock or a group of stock repeatedly shows up in any of these columns or in any of these groups, then that is a sign that there could be some action which is happening or a trend is building up. So you must, as a trader, you must keep an eye on these stocks. So now on the 25th of June, again, these same list group of stocks started showing up in the new 20-day highs list. So the confidence or the confirmation was again increasing in these defense stocks. And finally, on the 3rd of July, again we saw that the same thing happened. The defense stocks were again in the new 20-day highs list. They were also showing up in the volume gainers list as well. So price as well as volumes both are confirming that the trend or activity is picking up in defense stocks. So from the 16th of June till the 3rd of July, you will notice that the defense stocks had moved up drastically. Here on your screen, you can see the performance of some of the defense stocks which we spoke of in our Telegram channel. So you can see a lot of these stocks have generated phenomenal returns in a short span of 15 days. So this is how you could use simple technique of price action, wherein you are spotting the stocks that are hitting new 20-day highs, which are gaining momentum, which are in the new 20-day gainers list, or which are amongst the top gainers on a 20-day basis. And you can also see stocks which are repeatedly showing up good volumes, which are in the high volumes list. So you can build a list on your own. This is very simple. You can just download the bow copy from exchange's website. If you don't have a charting software, even that's fine. You can download it from the exchange's website, and you can build these simple kind of tools to identify such stocks. Or if you don't want to do the hard work, then you can simply join our Telegram channel, wherein I post this T20 list. I call this a T20 list on a daily basis, and you can simply wait for the end of the day update and plan your trades accordingly. This would be of really good help in your trading. So that's all from me for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and in case you did, then please like it, share it, subscribe to our channel, and also recommend our channel to your friends and family members who want to become better traders. I'm sure that they will also love our YouTube channel as well as our Telegram channel. So thanks a lot and have a nice day.
Also, don't forget to sign up to our free newsletter, the Fast Profits Daily. If you sign up to this newsletter right now, then you would get access to this free guide, how to trade the markets like a pro. So don't miss this chance and sign up right now.